to your liner. Spread ko natin siya. Spread natin siya into
Nak,
circle.
look at, the pizza master. O, go. Spread mo daw.
Yan.
Spread it all.
Kailangan natin maigit para maiwasan ang sticky. Make sure na kalahati lang ang mailagay sa flour. Sorry. Okay lang kasi pwede na yan. Yan. Konti na tayo ng konti. Yan. Spread natin.
Spread.
Then after that, meron tayong tinatawag na dough. Yan, dough. At kung tawagin siya design, hand toss. Hand toss. Again, please. Hand toss. Very good. Okay, hand toss. So, ginamit natin yung flour para maiwasan yung sticky. O, ibig sabihin yung pagdikit, stickiness. Yan, para hindi magdikit-dikit. Okay.
I need a dog.
Next. Yan, nabuksan na po ba lahat ng dough? Kaya pagay na lang po mga parents para po sa ating mga kaya po yung sinasabi ko po sa inyo na makulang baka hindi po kaya nito tatang. Okay, so careful lang ha, careful. Then our next step, yan, nabuksan na po ba lahat? Open your dough, open your dough. Yan, very good. Very good.
No, like this by that man. Hey, it's cold. Plus sticky.
Ayan.
Huh?
Wait.
Okay? Yan, na-open na po natin ang dough. Then after that, meron ulit tayong flour dyan. Yung flour. Ayan, may mga sobra tayong flour sa gitna. Put in. Ayan. Ilagay po natin ulit yung flour sa taas ng dough. Mamaya na po natin stretching. Pwede natin kunin yung mga nasa ilalim niya. Kunin natin ang nasa ilalim niya. Ayan. Ayan. Para maiwasan natin yung stickiness. O yung dikit, yung madikit. Yeah, very good. Very good. Very good si Cindy, ano, si Baby Suwan India. Very good siya. Ayan, saka si Pauline. Very good. Then after that, our next step, ayan, nalagay na po natin yung tar, so hindi na siya madikit. Our next step, press the dough to relax. Press po muna natin ang ating dough. Ayan, circle na, circle. Pasuyo mo na ako, para mag-press na.
That press mo daw like this.
Or ano lang po siya sa ikinis.
Put it on
Pwede
the
po kayo
table.
tumayo para ma-press po natin sa ating press. Okay? So next time natin, press the dough to relax. Kailangan ma-press natin maigi yung mga logo. Yung mga logo sa ating dough para maging manipis at ating center. So press the dough to relax. Give your full power to press it. Full strength.
Press pa.
But it keeps staying.
Wait, wait. Here daw at the
Okay?
Plus there's some.
Very good.
Put some flour. Ano? Balik ka rin na lang.
And after natin i-press, so once na naramdaman nyo ng malambot yung ating dough, stretch it into outer inner. Tama ba? Yan. Stretch natin to into circle. Stretch it into circle. Look, Sir Mark.
Make it circle.
Look natin ang ating
Look at the
pizza
pizza
master.
master. At the side.
After natin i-press, i-up natin ang ating dough, then stretch it into circle.
Ayan. Hindi na yan.
It's a Lulu.
No, no.
I can't
So look, Sir Mark. Then after natin stretch, meron tayong screen dyan. Ipatry natin yung circle ng screen sa ating dome. Ayan, para yan yung basihan natin kung mabibilig ba natin ang ating dome or pizza.
Hindi. Ayan, pangarap.
I can't pantayin. I don't know how to.
Ayan, ayan.
Ayan. So sunod-sunod natin. Press in, stretch in. Then put it into the screen.
Ha?
Then stretch it into the circle. So, pwede na po natin siyang ilagay sa ating screen.
I can't.
Kay
They come back.
Baby Boy Inyaki. Ayan, pwede po si Baby Boy Inyaki para ilagay sa kanyang screen yung dome. Ayan.
Dada. Dada.
I can't even make it a circle. It just comes back.
Like this over there.
Very good.
Para po Lemon na. Yan rin yung sabi ko.
Masyado kasi hindi na binihilo kasi naman dito.
No? Ano is outside? Parang beer. Na.
Ibibilo ko muna. Dahil. Okay, press again.
I can't do it.
Make sure.
Make sure na walang butas ang ating dome. Ayan, very good. Okay. Our next step. So, nalagay na natin siya sa ating screen.
Mama, put it there down in the circle.
Ewan ko sa'yo. Nagigigil din ako sa'yo.
Okay, our next step. Meron tayong tinatawag dyan na fork. Kung sa standard na shape is roller dapper. So, gagamitin natin yung tip doon sa pagbukas ng dough, pero be careful lang. Hindi siya kinalalabutas para lang maiwasan lang natin yung bubbles. Ganyan-ganyan lang natin siya. So look, Sir Mark, gagamitin lang natin. Ayan, ganyan-ganyan lang. Ito circular motion. Press lang natin siya. Butas-butas lang. Be careful lang para hindi niyo mabutas ang ating dough. Ayan. Para maiwasan lang po natin yung bubbles while cooking. Okay? Okay, so sa standard ng Shakey's, ito po ang ginagamit pang roller dapper. So, patry natin sa
Wait lang, I'll make it bigger.
Yes. Yun. Para yan ay pagtino siya. Okay, next. Si Kian. Ayan.
Concentrate to the other side naman. Spread. Spread.
Next.
Inis ako sa iyo.
Yan, very good. So, hindi lang bata ang natututo, pati mga parents. O, diba? Ngayon may idea na kayo kung sa bahay dahil sa standard ng Shakey's, home-style appeal po ang paggawa ng pizza dito. So, ibig sabihin,
Can you put some...
gawang bahay. Yan, so, pwede nyo siyang gawin sa bahay. Once na magpo kayo, at mga toppings, sauce, cheese, yan, kaya-kaya na gawin yan.
How to
Okay?
touch?
Ibang natin sa kabila.
Mama, I will put some flour on it.
Sumama team.
Kanina okay na yung ginawa ko. Pinili ko pa eh.
Bye.
Try natin sa iba yung roller
Hindi na
cover.
siya maganda ngayon
Yan.
kasi kanina pa nabilog-bilog.
It keeps making some holes.
Okay, nagamit, ayan, ikot muna natin yung roller cover para lahat ng kids
Mama,
maka-experience
we're
ng
in the
roller
next
cover.
level now.
So, ang roller cover ay ginagamit lang po sa paggawa ng pizza at hindi po sa
Without
ibang
some
items.
sauce.
Okay?
Where's the sauce?
Lesson
What's
learned.
sauce?
Ang roller cover po natin ay ginagamit lamang po
Kuya,
sa
wait
paggawa
lang.
ng
Hindi
pizza.
pa
Yes?
ipag-cover.
Ang ikot po yan dito. Ayan, ikot na po dito. Okay? Yan, very good. Next!
I should use sauce now. So it goes down. Oh, it's not.
Yeah.
Hey, you told me not to make it fast. Some
Sige, okay
flour.
lang po kahit ganyan kaliit. Pwede na yan. Buksan. Okay. Ayan, ayan. Matesting ko ang roller cover. And stretch it into circle. Outer layer.
Wait lang, wait lang.
Ayan. Yung mga iniwan na stretch, ayan, pagkaita ko dito para mag-circle yung pizza nila at makakagayan ng
Yung ate nung
You can do this.
Ayan, assist kayo ni Sir Mark. O, ayan, na-stretch na. Wow! Yan, bilog na bilog na.
Okay na yung flour.
Eh, nakagamit na po ba ng roller cover? Okay na po ba ang pag-stretch?
Enough na.
Ayan, so ito na, simulan na natin ang ating 3 standard sequence of making pizza. So, next, meron tayong pizza sauce or shady sauce. Ang iangat po natin.
Oh no!
okay na.
Ay, ito, Sir Mark.
Sauce.
Talagang pang pizza.
We're taking so long to finish. Now what next? Why more flour?
Because it's sticky.
Now how to put sauce? Put some more.
Ayan.
What is the pizza?
Ito po, bilog na bilog na.
Mama!
Sino pa po?
Mama,
Ay, Henry.
the sauce is sick.
Okay, next.
So sick.
Yung pizza sauce, put it into your dough. Lagay po natin sa gitna. Then, spread it.
That's good.
Ate, wait.
Spread it into circular motion.
Saucy.
So, gamitin po natin yung ating spoon. Pero ang standard po sa Shakey's ay spooded ang ginagamit. Spooded. So, as of now, spoon po tayo for kids. Yan. Spoon. Ayan, yung spoon po natin. Sige, dito na po. Ubusin po natin yung laman ng sauce. And yung pork sauce ay good
All
for
of this? All of this?
size na regular pizza. Okay? Ayan, so spread it into circular motion. Make sure mapupuno po natin siya. Ayan, tignan niyo po yung kay Sir Mark. Ayan, napuno siya. Para pag kinain natin lahat na sauce. Wow. Tikman po natin yung linamnan ng sauce natin. Spread it. Where's your spoon?
Oh, ayan na.
Spread lang na.
Hindi natin dito daw eh. Wow, kinakain. I need some more sauce.
Okay, i-spread na po natin. Our second sequence of making pizza is put your cheese into your dough. Put your cheese. Yan, spread na natin siya.
Cheese touch is gonna start.
Ilagay natin
Okay,
yung
ngayon na.
spread.
Okay, next is ito.
Because again, spread into circular motion. Spread natin so make sure na maikalat ang cheese para mag-help.
Ayan na, ano mo?
Natin. Sprinkles. Ganyan natin sprinkles.
Okay. Ito, open mo.
Ate will help you na. Ate know how to do it. Oh, go, spread.
Yeah, spread it
Here pa, on the
to
side.
circular motion. Yeah, pwede natin ubusin yung cheese
Like
para
this,
mas
anak ko.
masarap. Yeah, sabihin natin lahat yan.
Yan.
Yan. Sakto po yan sa
Oh,
regular
next.
size.
Next
Oh, cheese na daw, cheese.
Spread.
Are you going to try it later? I know. Huh?
Sprinkle.
No, I said I'm going to try the pizza.
On the side, ano?
Okay. Ready na po sila sa ating last step. Ayan. O, tingnan niyo yung pressure mark. Kids, tingnan niyo po yung, yan. Dapat ganyan na po mo.
I should put it on all sides.
Yes, iput it.
Here, ano?
Okay?
Not done. Excuse me.
Here, ano?
Hintay naman si Babe. More, last one.
Yan.
Is pineapple.
Ready na po ba sila sa last steps?
I should.
Oh, put the pineapple.
Easy pa. Okay, ready?
Yes. Yes.
Our last step,
Maybe that's enough.
meron tayong toppings yan na tinatawag na pineapple and ham. Then, our surprise twist for our making pizza, make your own style of pizza.
Go na.
Like, pwede tayong gumawa ng heart,
Do whatever
happiness,
you want.
happy,
Yay!
sa mukha ni daddy, mukha ni mami, pwede po natin ilagay sa pizza. So, make your own style of pizza. So, gamitin natin yung toppings natin ng pineapple and ham. Yan. So, pwede tayong gumawa ng
Wait, where's
happiness.
pepperoni?
Yan. Pwede kayong gumawa ng sun.
Why there's no
Planet.
pepperoni?
Ng heart. Ang
I said, why
diamond.
there's no pepperoni?
Put it here, ano? His hair.
No, this is his
Pero yung standard of Shakey's, ang pizza ang ginagawa, ang flavor po ng pizza ang ginagawa natin is Hawaiian Delight Pizza.
Yan, his
So
hair.
lalagyan nyo lang po siya ng style.
Oh, it's a cat.
Style. Pwede natin gawin ham lang ham pizza.
Okay.
Pero ang standard po, ganito po ang paggawa ng Hawaiian Delight Pizza. Nakakalang lang po siya.
His lips now.
Yan po ay tinatawag natin na home style appeal ng ating Shakey's.
Ata?
Okay? So pwede kayong gumawa ng heart. Yan, yung mga favorite cartoon character nyo. Pwede nyo ilagay dyan, Cocomelon. Happy.
Roblox! Roblox!
Roblox. O pwede kayong gumawa dyan. So make your own style Pwede niyo ilagay yung face ni Mami. Face ni Daddy.
It's a listener. No, this is going to be a cat. Brian, looks like mine is going fries. I look for the pineapple.
Ayan.
Deliver it in a box.
Okay, so our pizza making is done. Let's all congratulate our kids. Palakpakan naman po natin sila. Dahil sila ay nakagawa ng pizza. Very good. So bago natin ito isa lang, gusto ko po muna tanongin ang bawat kids natin. Hi! Sino ba to? Gio, what pizza do you make? A ham pizza! Palakpakan naman po natin si Gio. Wow, very good. And you, Kian, what pizza do you make?
Makeup.
San? A San pizza. Very good. Palakpakan naman po natin si Kian. And this one, Jara. What pizza do you make? A heart pizza. Wow, heart pizza. And you, Thea, what pizza do you make? A ordinary ham pizza. Wow, unique ah. And ayaw mo ng pineapple? Ayaw. Wow. Ano yung
The
sustansya?
smiley face
Masarap
pizza.
yan. Matamis.
Where's the what's that?
Okay, anyway. Next. What pizza do you make, Julia?
Has it ham?
This is their mouth.
Is it ham?
A happy face pizza. Wow! Palakpakan naman po natin si Julia. Meron siyang happy face. And
Put it
you,
all
Mara. What pizza
But
do you
I
make?
was gonna make
all.
a smiley
Here
pizza.
go.
Wait, whatever lang gusto ko. Wait, I'll make the ham the smile. And these are the eyes, these are the
This
eyebrows.
one is
Happy, ayun. A happiness pizza. Wow! Oh. Ayan, si Pauline. What pizza do you make, Pauline? What pizza do you make? A San pizza. Very good. How about you, Miguel? A flower pizza. Wow. Olivia? What pizza do you make? Messi? Yes, pizza. Wow. And then Yaki, what pizza do you make?
Yana.
Ayan, the starter of cake is Hawaiian Banana Pizza. Wow. And you, baby girl, what pizza do you make, baby girl? Ayan, what's your name? Sino to? Oh, a ham pizza. Nathan. What pizza? Nathaniel, what pizza do you make? Just a normal pizza. Wow. Kayo dyan, ano mo yung ginawa nila pizza? What pizza do you make, Nathan?
Smiley face pizza.
Smiley face pizza. How about Lanu?